Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can exchange rare presents in fishits Roblox. So if you got a rare presents in your inventory like this one in here, this is what you're going to do to exchange it. So you can just go straight to the gift factory. And don't forget to hold your rare presents. And you can just give it to the Santa in here. And after that, you can get another presents like this candy cane. So you can just repeat the steps. If you have more than one rare presents, you can just do the exact same steps to exchange them. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.